Good morning, guys. And today, our ECQ Drive will take us to Cebu because mangkumpra tag karne. Today is my shopping run. I'm gonna buy meat, and if I'm gonna buy meat, I usually go to the pork shop. So today, I'm gonna go to the pork shop in Banilad. So it's basically na Sambagan. I mean, yeah. So coming from Mandaue, we'll be passing by Hernan Cortez, then AS Fortuna, then to the main highway, then go to Banilad. So let's go. Alright, this is the Hernan Cortez Street. So only traffic in the morning is not really one. It's not traffic. The time is around 10 p.m. 10 a.m. Ano na? Wala kay traffic. Wala masyadong traffic ba? Kaya lang maraming tumatawid. So, yan. So the weather today, kuan yun, medyo cloudy with scattered rain showers. We expect some rain sa karang hapon in the afternoon. And hopefully walay baha, but yeah, it's really the rainy season already, and Mandaue City is on GCQ already compared to Cebu City na ECQ na. So medyo I expect Mandaue City to be busier than Cebu City due to lighter restrictions here. So yes, this is Hernan Cortez, and that's Jade Court. Still closed, not allowed to open. Oh, that's the pancake guy. And we're turning left here, heading towards AS Fortuna. So medyo traffic dito. Now we're here at AS Fortuna and going to Mandaue. Going to Cebu City, Banilad. But yes, this is still in Mandaue. Money. Talaga traffic. But yeah, visibly busier. Nag-auto na nag-park sa gawas. But you will know. We'll exit here. A checkpoint there. So this is not my typical checkpoint to Cebu City. So naasan ako dire kung busy ba ang mga border crossings diri sa AS Fortuna na boundary. So most Andre establishments naman ang si abre na, but some sa nangabre gihapon. Like for example, AA, I don't know kung abre ba, but yeah, this one, the Cebu Home Builders, that's medyo busy na. A lot of people are, buying stuff for their houses. So strict lang ilang checkpoint. Of course, crossing to Cebu City, medyo strict din ang checkpoint. So we'll prepare our papers, guys. So yung mga taxi nag-standby na lang. So, I don't know. Some decided, okay, they can cross as well, so they just wait for passenger in this area. Because if ever someone's going to Consolacion and would rather have a taxi, dili na lang siya. It's a good style. So, nakalusot na ta. Welcome to Banilad, Cebu City. Actually, duha na ka Banilad. There's Banilad, Mandaue, the one where we came from, and now Banilad, Cebu City. Ano na yung new poster ni? Mandaue Bar Spotlight, ha? So this is now under the Banilad Talamban flyover.
Caution, merging road ahead.
So we're gonna merge. So banks are open still in Cebu City. Yeah, there's a line outside BDO. And yeah, there's a meat shop here, Bill Creek. Yeah, and God's Grace Farm, one of the, very busy suppliers of PPEs, masks, and goggles, but as well as organic vegetables. So see, kita mo sa clouds, it's really quite gloomy today. And that road ahead is heading towards the city, to Ayala, to Banilad, but we are gonna turn left in around 100 meters because we're going to the meat shop. So we've been there before. I mean, like on the first day of GCQ, I was there. But yes, shopping run na sa taron. I usually shop once a week. Last week I was in Mandaue, the Mandaue branch. But this time, money happening. We'll turn left adre. We just have to be careful in this junction. Paano na yung mga to? Yes. Ayan na ta. Dere. So, yan. And what I like about this branch is, di siya sa samok na lugar. Although today, I think it's samok. Here. To the pork shop. And we'll park. Alright. So it's 100% fresh and clean quality local pork. So nakanindot sa pork shop, it's local pork na. Gikan sa Asturias Farms, ilang sister company. And they have AA quality na mga kanang slaughtering and meat processing and mga storage facility. So yeah, it's guaranteed na presko, barato, limpyo. So mamalit ta. Let's see what's our haul today at the Virginia Farms, the pork shop. So new normal nila. So kailangan safety gina. So di mag-mask gina. Ilang ka temperature check dito. Ini apa? Dito yung baligya, so nipalit kong paklay actually. So daghang tao ron. So ilang mga workers nagkao gyud og nag-face ba. May pasta no, kuha na lang. Dugangin lang ko usa ka kilong kuan, tiyan. Alright. So nasa tayo panakot dire by the way. Lingaw. So lingawin kayo kay nakapalit ko ron og paklayon nun. Nakapalit po kog bulaklak. Nakapalit po kog ribs. Wow, mga adobo normal, adobo og limpo. So amazing kayo. Fresco, limpyo, barato gid dire. So malingaw yung shopping sa dire kay sa new normal na kung karne la istoryahan. Dire gyud ko kumpra. So guys, let's go home para makaluto na ta og maniud to. Hello guys, mga taga Kasambagan na barangay, mga basurero, ang limpyo sila, collection sa basura doon na area. Of course, this is barangay Kasambagan.
System activated.
So hi there sa mga taga Kasambagan. Naot di mudagang kaso diri sa ato, but yes, we're on our way home. Mani ang shortcut, di shortcut padung ni gawas. Mani ang dalan padung Sem Park. Actually dool ra kay ang namong bahay kung pwede na agian ang Sem Park. Na mahug among balay nara sa luyo. On the right side though, that's Cebu Memorial Park, pero walay minteryo ron. So sarado hasta minteryo by the way. Alright, so we are gonna just drive back to Mandaue via Fortuna. So let's go guys. Medyo busy diri ha. Nagtao, but we are now going home. So let's go Sano Country Mall. And kita mo agis tulay. This is Mahiga Creek. Hopefully di mo overflow. Ano to status of
Caution. Merging road ahead.
Wala may tubig. So let's go. It's just basically pabalik na dalan. Only traffic run. It's basically in the middle of the day.
Merging road ahead.
So kuandra. Traffic's quite light gihapon, pero daghan nag-auto of course. May mga nangumpra, may mga hindi kan mga nagalakaw. Kasi mga nag-angkas lagi na sila. Pinahubog mask. Ay, hubog mask ha. So mana, let's just avoid that. Kana maghubog mask or kana magmask na mugawas ang ilong. So nega bike. So we're now going to go back here in Fortuna to the Fortuna Cebu Mandaue boundary. Okay. Ano to kung stricto ba dire? Napay ga bike ha. So hopefully ka na sa mga bike ron mag helmet sa itong hinahina. Okay raman ang checkpoint Mandaue. There are mga bus servicing Mandaue and Consolacion. And yeah, traffic is light and easy here. But Mandaue is now GCQ, but it's fun. Hindi man sad sobra kabisi siya na mag compare sa Cebu. So pare-pareho ra. Yes. So this is Oak Ridge, Starbucks, Palawan Pawn Shop, busy na. And of course kining gasol, kung may gasol na Petron gasol. So abre na diri ang mga kuan, daghan nag-abre. Parang ano na yung nag-traffic naman hinoon. So that's basically our drive, but I'll just conclude it once we reach Hernan Cortez. Okay, AS Fortuna is a major road here in Mandaue. It's probably one of the busiest roads here in Mandaue City. Basta karon. Yeah, this is really busy. But when you say busy now, this is how busy looks like. It's not even like half when it wasn't when everyone, I mean, when there was no quarantine. So ano na yun, we're here, we're homeward bound. Pas-pas na itong biyahe basically. Nalingaw sa gusto kong shopping. So ano ni, traffic light going to Hernan Cortez. So manang Matias, tanaw na to kung kumusta na ang Matias. Higig hapon, gaso gyapon. Gyapon galuto. Take out orders. So guys, thank you so much for watching this GCQ ECQ Drive from Mandaue to, the pork shop, Mandaue Banilad area. Mandaue Banilad, Banilad Cebu to the pork shop and back. It was an pretty easy drive. And see you sa guys phone. Keep safe. And I hope magkita-kita na kita. Let's just cooperate and do everything to win this war against COVID. Bye guys.